Thank you, Vilros, for sending this item to check out. And we are looking at the Raspberry Pi Zero 2W. And is there a durability issue with the on-the-go cable that came with the kit? And the answer, I guess it depends, but yes, from my experience, there might be a durability issue with the cable because after about maybe 2 hours of testing different things, plugging and plugging out controllers, keyboards to see what was compatible with it, I was not getting a response, and I was unsure what it could have been. But I can confirm it was the on the go cable. So make sure you have some spare ones around. You're gonna need a female USB A and a micro USB connection that's compatible with the Raspberry Pi Zero 2W. So keep that in mind.